How to type on a Roblox wall. So for this, we will click on this menu option in the top left corner, and then here we have to go to groups. Now, once you go to groups, then you will see a list of all of your groups and the one that you want to type on. So for example, we will just click on this group right here from the left hand side. And if we scroll down a little bit, then you will be able to see the wall. Now in the wall, people were able to contact each other and they can talk and they can just say hi, so on and so forth. Now, if you want to type, you will obviously just click on this box that says say something, and I will do hi guys for this tutorial with an exclamation mark. And then if you want to type, you will just simply click on post here and this will post it onto this wall. Now if you want to remove this reply or this wall post, you will just click on delete right here. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.